Alright, welcome back folks. I'm headed back home. First stop today is gonna be Ahmedabad. I have 400 kilometers left, so I should get there around 2-3 o'clock in the evening. I know it shows 1 p.m. but I take a lot of breaks, as you guys probably know. So I will be passing through the Run of Kutch again, but this time in the dark. This is gonna be interesting on how it's gonna look in the dark. There is no moon today, or at least not that I can see. Mota Banda. Who is the Mota Banda? Me? Anyways, so yeah, let's go. There's cow dung all over the road, man. And of course, cows as well. So I have to be careful. Those two guys are playing. So this is the way to heaven, the Run of Kutch Lake. I'll go a little forward and try to stop somewhere in the middle to see how the sunrise looks like. We're almost at sunrise, I think probably another 10 minutes, so we should be fine. Man, there is so much wind, my neck hurts. I'm trying to keep it straight. There's a lot of cloud cover today, so I am not able to see the sunrise. Why were you flashing to the dog, dude? What is the dog gonna understand? A white sun. I think this is the first time I'm seeing that. Here is where I got the fuel yesterday, so I'm gonna try and get more fuel. Namaste yaar. Okay, thank you. Look at that view. If there's any chai or something here, I'm gonna have a quick break. No, that's not the store. That's fine. Bro, what are you doing? Where are you sleeping, man? This is not the Run of Kutch. I am not sure what this is, but I will check this out in a little bit. Yeah, so this is a good 15-kilometer stretch of just this, like the Run of Kutch Lake, but I don't know if this one has that salt and other stuff as well. I need a break anyway, so I'll stop somewhere here. It's not too hot yet, so it's okay. Again with the honking. Why, man? Any Creta owners on here, why honk and flash so much? Can someone tell me, please? I ran into 3 of these guys since morning today. It's always the flashing, always the honking. Why? Why can't you just peacefully go? Again. Dude, you have 2 kilometers to get to the main road. You can't just drive happily until then. Are? Where is he gonna go? I mean, honking to let them know you're waiting is different. And absolutely blasting your horn on these small roads is stupid. You're honking at the cows now. Ah, Creta people. You know how to hurt their ego, right? Let me show you. That's how you fuck with them. People with that kind of an ego can never accept the fact that somebody can actually pass them. Finally back on the highway again. I'm gonna stop at that overpass there. I need to lube my chain up a bit and I'll probably have a chai or something. I did see a small shop there yesterday, a trucker stop kind of. So I'll just have a chai and I'll lube my chain, and I have to clean my visor. There's 503 million mosquitoes dead on my visor right now. Shit, how did that happen? Oh, the shop is on the other side. It's okay. I wanted some shade, so I am gonna stop here. There was not a single tree that I could stop under for the last, I don't know, 60 kilometers or something. Anyways. Left. I just took a small break. I was feeling a little drowsy for some reason. I don't know, maybe I just got bored. So I got some rest. These guys had Red Bull, thankfully. So I had one of those. I bought a couple more just in case. Okay, we change highways now. Going on to Gujarat State Highway 18. Anybody coming? Nope. Let's go. For a little bit. I just met a couple of people who said that there was a bus that toppled over and there were cranes and stuff trying to pick it up, and there was a huge traffic jam here. So thank God I didn't get stuck in that. I don't know if it is after the ride or before it, I don't know. Man, it's getting hot. have another 2 hours left to go. 94 kilometers. So one more break before I get into the city. Oh, goaties. Not goatees. Watch out, puppy. Is that a Hanuman statue? Yes, it is. Hey, maybe bikes can go that way. Wow, this road is well done. Yesterday, I don't think so. I don't remember this stretch of road. I have a feeling Google took me on a different route. This was better until now than what I had the other day. I hope this is not how it's gonna be the rest of the way. I have 60 kilometers left to go to Ahmedabad. Why not? Why can't we go in the opposite lane of traffic? Who are you honking at, bitch? Yeah, it's getting hot, man. I still have an hour left, hour and a half. As long as I keep moving, I'll be fine. When it gets low, like it is right now, is when all the heat starts turning up. And the dirt. What the fuck was that? Fucking lady didn't even slow down, man. Seriously? I guess traffic lights are just suggestions. The cop waved us out. I don't know why. It is exactly like Vijayawada. So freaking humid. Okay, my front brake is diving again for some reason. I think I'll have to lube it